Today we're working on the 2009 Chevy Impala. We are going to be replacing the oil pressure switch. It's not actually throwing a low pressure light, which is how I've seen them fail in the past, but it was brought over to the family mechanic and he was reading that the pressure was like 120 psi. If that failed, or if there was truly 120 psi because there's a blockage at the oil pump, we wouldn't be getting oil and this thing would have crapped the bed a while ago. So we're gonna switch out that oil pressure switch. It is located underneath the vehicle, right next to the oil filter. We will go under there in a second here. You'll have to ignore the whatever oil leak is happening down here and avert your eyes, but don't avert your eyes. The oil pressure switch is located right, it's like a solar eclipse, right, insert arrow here. You see that black, white, purple with a white wire? We gotta get that off and then we will come from the top to unscrew the pressure switch. So, which I probably won't be able to really film, to be completely honest with you, but I'll give it the old college try just for you. And I really don't want to get dirty, but here I am. I don't know what kind of wild wizardry you have to get that off. I can reach it. I can also get a hold of the latch, but I cannot get any sort of pulling motion because there's just too much stuff in the way, like the starter. Okay, I got it off. Cool. We'll just pull that aside there and meet you up top. Oh, I really hope that actually went. So I have a 12-inch extension, or 8, with a universal on an oil pressure switch socket. And what I'm doing is sneaking along the underneath this front exhaust manifold. Oh man, it was going and now it is not going. May need one more extension and get the wrench back on there. Or just bare-fisted, I guess. Ideally, came with it. We're gonna transfer some of that oil onto the new switch and send her in. It's never good to have a dry O-ring. So, throw some oil on that O-ring. Sneak your tiny hands wherever this orifice is. I can feel it coming in the end. All right, so I'm gonna hand start this. Get it as snug as I can. And then get that socket back in there. Pretty much until it hits that O-ring. This is what I got going on here. And we are just rumbling and tumbling. I'm gonna take this extension off. Just go in like so. I am here alone, just talking to a camera while I try to find a 2009 Chevy Impala oil pressure switch. Oh. Whoever put this here, a GM, and I guess I've seen worse, but you know, I've also seen better. I'll put the torque specs in the description. You'll have to go back underneath your car. I don't think you want this super tight because it is just a rubber O-ring. So don't over tighten it. And if you're not super, you know, if you don't tighten a lot of stuff, I don't know that there's many people who could fit their hand in here. That sounded bad. So find someone with small hands. All right, I have to go back underneath and plug it in. So thanks for watching. My shoulder, probably.